Hello adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am in the Las Vegas area off of Decatur Street, and we're actually going to be going to the TSP Bakery. Now this kind of is a fun place, and I'll tell you why. This bakery right here is actually owned by someone that I follow on TikTok, and I wanted to come and show some support. She puts out some really amazing TikTok videos and definitely has some goodies in here. So of course I wanted to come by and check it out. So today you're coming with me. Okay guys, we have a bag of goodies here to try out, and because it's a bakery, it's like a takeaway situation, so let's go and sample some yummies. Okay guys, so let's talk it out first, and then we're gonna try out some of the yummies. First and foremost, I like to show support to other creators, and I really appreciate the content that is put out over on TikTok by the owner here. If you're looking into TikTok and you are interested, you can follow TSP Baking Co, and she has some fabulous videos. I just really like her vibe. She has a really good energy to her, just like I do, and I enjoy what she does. Not to mention, from a distance, watching from my phone, she made my mouth water with the treats. So today we're going to be trying out several different ones. I picked up a little selection of cookies and one of the very small cupcakes, and also they gave us some stickers, which I love so much. You guys know that I am a sticker collector and I keep them on all of my mugs, so gonna be adding these to the collection. But let me show you what we picked up today, and I don't know if I'm gonna have the names on all these correct, so bear with me. We're gonna start off today with the cupcake. We ended up getting one of the salted caramel cupcakes. I'm really super excited about this. Oh my gosh, this frosting right here is single-handedly why I came here, because when she describes it in the videos, it just sounds so good. So yeah, I'll be trying this in just a minute, but first let me show you the cookies that I also picked up. For that, we have a little bag here, and there's one that I'm especially interested in trying. It is going to be very interesting because, do you see this cookie right here? This actually has Tahin on the top. Oh, so it's gonna have a little bit of sweetness, but also a tiny bit of spiciness. I'm so excited. Anyway, let me show you a little closer what all I picked up, and then we're gonna try some samples, and then we're gonna move on to our next adventure. I am so hyped right now though, guys. I am so hyped, and I'm about to be on like a whole sugar rush because I didn't stop with just one cookie and one small cupcake. No. I went a little overboard. Okay, it's time. We're gonna start off with the limited edition one, which is actually around for Valentine's. I am visiting right before Valentine's, so as a result, I get to sample some of the sweets. Oh wow, this is a strawberry base, and you can definitely smell it. It smells absolutely delicious, and oh, it's just got a subtle sweetness to it, but it smells kind of like a freshly baked strawberry cake. So I'm gonna go for it. Let's get a good spot that has a lot of frosting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Trying to place all the flavors, you can taste that there are fresh strawberries used for this. Fresh. They like pop in your mouth, and then you can taste the butteriness to it. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. I guess that's why it's a good Valentine's cookie, because it inspires me to love it. But I'm not finished yet. Let's try another one. Let's go in for our more standard one. I think this is the chocolate chunk, and it has several different kinds of chunks in here. If you look at it a little closer, you can see different kinds of chunks. So here we go. I need a dozen of these. This is delicious. I don't think this is the chocolate chunk though. I think this is the peanut butter chunk. Definitely peanut butter. I mistook myself. This is definitely peanut butter, but that explains the little chunks of happiness and the chocolate chips. Oh my gosh. This is even better than I was expecting it to be. I want to eat this whole thing right now, but I can't because we have two other things. This is so good. Now, my mom really loves peanut butter, and you've probably seen me banter with her back and forth about peanut butter a couple other times. She would love this. She would love this. And I'm having it without her. Let's try our Tahin cookie now. This one is probably the most intriguing one because as soon as I saw on the menu it had Tahin, I was like, sign me up, I want it. And let's go. Oh my gosh. Delicious. It's almost like it's a margarita inspired cookie. It has a lot of like lemony lime to it, and then the Tahin with the spice. Oh my goodness, it's like a party in my mouth. Literally a party in my mouth, guys. This is so delicious, and it's not too spicy that it makes it like overwhelming. You could eat this even if you don't really like spice. It just adds that little balance to it. It's very, very good. But we're gonna set this one down and go in now for our mini. Here he is. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. I love it. I love it a lot. And I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm just gonna kind of, oh my gosh. Stick a fork in me. I am done. I'm gonna eat this whole thing, and I'm really tempted to just pop it in my mouth and eat it as one bite, but I wanna savor it. So, oh, the moistness of the cupcake. Look at that. It's so moist. That's a good cake right there. In fact, it's not too spongy, it's not too dense, it's just the right consistency. I can taste the caramel. The caramel is just exploding in this. It is infused with the best flavor. Oh, wow. Oh wow. This is heaven right now. This is what heaven looks like. It looks like a little tiny cupcake with a big bite out of it. It's so good. The cupcake did not stand a chance, but I'm gonna save the rest of the cookies for a little bit later because this evening, whenever I get back to my van, these are gonna be so good. These are gonna be so good, and I can't wait. I am so happy that I stopped off, and more so, I'm happy that through social media, I was able to find this amazing spot. I believe that in Vegas, there are so many things to do, and sometimes you think of only the Strip, and there are so many things beyond the Strip that are so worth coming to. This one is a little bit removed, but at the same time, the best removed little drive that I have ever made off Strip. This is so good. I'm gonna have dreams about these after I eat them, and then I'm away from them, and then I'm gonna want them again. So I need to find out maybe if she ships them. Maybe she does. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, for now though, I wanted to say definitely come to TSP Baking. It is so good, guys, and I know that I've said that a bunch. I am just overwhelmed with the amount of deliciousness that was in this bag, and it definitely lived up to the hype of the TikToks that I was seeing. So thank you guys for coming along with me and checking out a new place here in Vegas. I encourage you guys to, whenever you come to this area, come in. Very affordable. It was only like $8 for everything, which was super good, especially considering the level of elevated ingredients and also the freshness. Oh my goodness, a must stop. Remember guys, we are not here for a long time, but we are here for a good time, and sometimes that means that we need something tasty along the way. Till next time guys, bye!